Hello there beautiful people and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or video requests, make sure to drop up a line and comment. I would be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And please bear witness for that because I've made over 300 videos so far on Shopify customization. They were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any requests and any questions, just drop me a comment below. I would be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe. Or maybe now you should consider doing so because if you don't, you lose. Now is a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make a Shopify store very unique, professional, without having to rely on those expensive teams or hiring those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money and is not a very good idea for long-term projects. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, I'll let you decide, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me show you actually one of the most requested videos on my channel lately, which is how to add the free gift with purchase upsell widget on the cart page on your Shopify store. And not just any free gift, this is a highly flexible widget. So you can set a specific amount that the user has to reach to unlock the product, which is the free gift, and not just one, up to 3 gifts. So the user has to unlock the first one, which is, let's just say, for example, the first product has to spend $20 more to unlock the free gift. And it shows a progress bar as well. And the second gift will show up as locked. And the user has to spend $50 more to unlock the second gift. And the third one will be locked as well. And the user has to spend up to $70 or $80 more to unlock 3 products. And everything is adjustable. The amount has to unlock, the products you want to set as gift, and the colors and so on, of course. And if you are a subscriber, you already know I don't share things that will just do the job. I share things that will make you stand out and make competitors jealous. But again, I'll let you watch the video and decide for yourself. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify down team. I always start with completely new team, by the way. Each video adds small customizations, but video like 70 or 60, the team will be completely different. But now I reached that level halfway. For example, check out this scroller logos, as you can see, with the fade out the corners. Once I hover over it, it stop. Or even better, check out the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code. Or you want to see something that will make you more money? Check this out. As you can see, I have one product added to the cart and I didn't check out yet, right? And this is the mouse cursor. I will act just like I want to leave or close the page, and this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart and he didn't check out. And by using your own custom code again, and it will only show up once the user trying to leave. But again, for the second time, I'll let you decide. So let me close this one. And actually, I will not do demonstration on this team because it's full of stuff. So I will do demonstration on Horizon instead, which is the new one. And by the way, this is a custom, standalone custom section that will work on every Shopify team, even the paid ones. So no worries. Just for demonstration and clarity, I will be using Horizon team. So let me close this one and let me open up Horizon. Then let me switch to the cart page. And in here, we will add a widget on top of the cart, and it will display all the things I did mention, which is an upsell, free gift. The user has to spend more to unlock them. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is click on the 3 dots to the left of customize and click on edit code. But for my case, as I said, I'm doing it in Horizon. I'm gonna do it in here instead. Then it will open up the code editor for your Shopify team. On the left panel right here, you will see some files or folders. Simply click on the one that says sections, this one right here. Click on it to be expanded. Then click on the first option, which is add a new section. And you will see this prompt so you can name the section. And simply name it free-gift-cart, just like you see. Then click on done. And it will create some code in here by default. Make sure to clear it. Remove the whole code in here. And in here, we need to paste in the code for it. And where are you gonna get that code? From the description box, of course. And by the way, there is 2 versions of this code. And later, after I show the features and so on, I will explain the minor difference between the 2. So, copy the whole code inside the .liquid file that you're gonna download from my website in the description box below. Open it with any text editor, copy the whole code in it, and paste it in here. That was very simple. Then click on Save button. Wait for a couple of seconds, it's saved. Now we will get back to the cart page, to the team editor, gonna add the section. So click on Customize button in here, in my case, again, I'm doing it on Horizon. So I'm gonna click in here and it will open up the theme editor for our team. And by the way, animated logo, as you can see, I did that tutorial, is completely free. So click on the home page at the top of the page and switch to the cart page. So it will open up the cart page, as you can see. After that, move the mouse cursor over this plus button right here and it will show you two options: add to header and add to the template. And this is very important. Do not add it to the header, add it to the template. If you accidentally add it to the header, it will show up on all your pages because you added it to the header. So make sure to add it on template on the cart page and simply search for this one, which is multi-tier free gift. This is exactly what we need. So simply click on it and some settings will show up in here and it will show you this by default. No worries, it will be gone as soon as we click save. So if I click on save, it will be gone, because what's the point of adding a free gift widget on an empty cart? It doesn't make sense. So it will not show up if the cart is empty. No worries. As you can see, the cart is empty, it will not show up. So the first option you will see in here is enable the free widget. This is basically just to avoid hassle of removing the products and stuff. If you don't want to add it, enable it anymore, simply disable it using this button. That's why I added. And this one is the main section title. It says free gifts with your order. Unlock amazing gifts. This is a subtitle. Unlock amazing free gifts as you shop. And this is the button that will add the free gift to the cart. And this is if the gift is added, it will show this one instead of the button, which is gift added to the cart. And below is the fun part. Gift tier 1, gift tier 2, gift tier 3. Because as I said, this has 3 levels. Let me add them quickly and show you how it looks like. So select a product from this one. Make sure to create a product first, the gift that you want to provide, and set the price for it as free. Then select it from here. Let's just say this one, for example. And this is the minimum amount in the cart. So the user has to reach this amount in order to unlock this gift right here. However, you might see it's too large. No worries, it's in cents. That's why I added example in here. So 5,000 equals $50. In my case, I'm gonna keep it as $50. And this is the quantity that the user can add, 1 or 2 or 3 based on your preference. And this is the display price. Basically, this price will be crossed. So it creates like a scarcity feeling that it's the product costs money, but I'm giving it to you for free. That's basically what it does. So let me type in 23.99, for example, and you will see it will be actually crossed, just like this example in here. As you can see, it shows 24 and it's crossed. This is exactly how it will look like. And the same again for the tier 2 and tier 3. So I added the tier 2 and tier 3 just so you don't feel bored in the tutorial, because it's the same exact steps. And below is the custom icon image, which is the gift icon. As you can see, you can change it. If you want to set your own custom icon, you can do that using this button. And this one is the colors, progress bar colors and button colors, so many stuff in here. You can fully customize this one with all the colors options. Now let's just click on save and it will be gone. It will not show up on the empty cart, because what's the point? Now, if we get back in here, reload the page and see what that would do. So let's just reload the page and here it is. Check it out. So as you can see, this one is the first tier, which is this product we did add, and the user has to spend $31 more to unlock it. As you can see, the button is not working. I cannot click on it, and also shows this lock icon. So the user has to spend more to unlock it. And the same ones for this ones, but they are grayed out. Why? Because obviously the user has to unlock this one to unlock the others. It's like a level. It's very good, as you can see, and same as I told you before, it shows the price in here crossed and the free button in here. So let me add more products so we can see how it looks like once you added actually more products. So let me add this one, or this one actually, it's more expensive. By the way, you want to add the sales counter that keeps increasing once the user will watching the page. Yes, it keeps increasing this one. Once the user accesses the page, each minute will add a new sale, completely free. Make sure to check out the channel. So I added this product. Now, if I get back in here, reload the page, check it out. It's unlocked now. The lock icon is gone and it shows a verified and it shows this icon. It means that it's unlocked. Now I can add the free gift. If I click on it, however, I did select, as you can see, a product that's already has a price. That's why I did include the price in the cart. That's why I did mention make sure to create new products with $0 on the price. And again, the next level, spend $10 more to unlock it. This one, if you spend $10 more, it will show you this one. Hey, spend more to unlock this one too. It's free, and so on. It has 3 levels. And the good part is you can fully customize this with all the colors and so on. And the only difference between the two versions, as I said, is this one is premium. The free one will only have 1 level, but the exact same options, exactly the same, just it doesn't have the multi-tier functionality. So whatever, if you are a beginner or professional, I have something for you both. And that's how you add the free gift with the purchase upsell widget on the cart page on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below, but for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.